Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Divya Vibes welcomes you all. Our today's topic is use of this and that. Let's begin the topic. This is used when the things are near to us. For example, we have this is an apple. This is an apple. An apple is near to us. Suppose you are holding an apple and then pointing towards it. Use of that. That is used when the things are far away from us. For example, again we have that is an apple. That is an apple. This time, apple is far away from us. It is on the tree. Let's have few more examples. This is a toy. The toy is in my hands. That is the moon. Moon is far away from me. I am standing in front of my house and saying, "This is my house." Then I walked 1 kilometer away from my house and pointing towards that, I will say, "That is my house." Another example, this is a book. The book is in my hand. That is a blackboard. Blackboard is far away from me. I'm standing in front of a car and say, "This is a car." An aeroplane is flying in the air and then I will say, "That is an aeroplane." So friends, we have learned the use of this and that in very easy method. I hope you will like this video. So please do share it and do subscribe my channel for further videos. Please give your valuable comments below as they encourage me to bring valuable content for you. Keep supporting friends. Thank you so much. That's all for today.